What's up, y'all? This CR3 from CR3 Homeservices. Hey, I'm finna show y'all how to install a new toilet seat. Man, this junk loose, broken a little bit, got scratches all on it, so the customer want me to change it out, you know. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that process. You know, I got the new toilet seat right here, you know, so y'all can see this junk right here. And I'm gonna show y'all what tools you need to do it, you know. Stay tuned. Yeah, what's up, y'all? So basically, this is the tool that y'all need to change it out right here. To change out the toilet seat is a flathead screwdriver, and this is a filler head screwdriver. All right, y'all. So basically, the first step of changing out the toilet seat is that you prop these open. Boom, boom. So you 2 screws. Then you got the bottom holders right here. This the right side. And it's the left side. Make sure y'all don't mess with them back screws in the back, because they did them with the tank. So pretty much, I'm gonna show y'all how to change it out. You know, you hold this bottom part, what I just showed y'all, and you screw that top part out, and it'll come right out. I'm finna show y'all how to do that. All right, y'all. So I'm finna show y'all how to do what I said I was gonna do. So pretty much, you have a screwdriver, and you hold that bottom piece down there as you unscrewing. Screw it. Unscrew. While you holding this bottom part, while it loosen up, you can feel it loosen up. Then you can kind of twist the bottom too if you want, or you can just hold it real tight, either or, however y'all want to do it. You know, you're still doing it the same way, so it's still gonna come off regardless. See, this off and this off. So I'm gonna do the other side now, so y'all can see. All right, see, I got it off, y'all. Boom, boom. See, just like that. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to put this new one on. All right, y'all. This is the new toilet seat right here. Come with screws as well too. So pretty much how you put it on is the same way you take it off, but you just tighten up. You feel what I'm saying? You prop these holes back over. The left side, boom. The right side, you open your screws, then put this screw, either or, left side or right side, both going in the same spot, boom. And now what you wanna do, you put these bottoms on. I'm gonna do the right side first. And once you got it on there, you know, for a good, so it won't fall off, you good. You know, you just go to the other side, put that one on. All right, now what y'all wanna do is, since you got the bottom on now, pretty much just tighten up now. Now you go right side to tighten up and hold that bottom as you can feel it getting tighter. Like I'm already tight on the left side, so I'm gonna do the right side now. Hold that bottom and push this back down. Inspect the toilet seat. Got a brand new toilet seat. Hey, this how y'all change that toilet seat right here. Clean, tight, customer satisfied once again. Y'all like, subscribe, follow my YouTube and all my other social media channels. You know, you can comment on my posts or whatever and let me know if y'all need something or how to fix the videos. Let me know y'all suggestions and stay tuned for my next video. This is CR3 from CR3 Homeservice. I'm out.